Day 2 in my garage. I just removed this side plastic cover that holds this slug. I didn't want to record how I removed the bolts because there's nothing really much to record. Just a couple bolts and one plastic clip on the bottom. This is all the bolts you need to remove, really. So before I put the new lock, which is I have right here, I want to do something with this hole. Hopefully I can make it look a little better. I'm going to use some WD quick weld and maybe some heat gun, stray this a little bit. I want to make it look a bit, tiny bit at least, better. So I was able to heat up a little bit and make it a little bit more flash. Now I'm gonna use some WD weld on both sides, just cover it, and then we'll go from there. So I end up just painting this middle part. I'm gonna do a couple more rounds with this one. So here's what I end up having: gray and black. Looks pretty good. Still a little bit junky here, but better than it was. By the way, this JB Quick works within 6 minutes and fully cured within 24 hours. Pretty good.